Hey, what's up, everybody? Elliot Harrison here with your Week 12 Power Rankings. And we start with the Broncos, and boy, their offense still doesn't look good. The defense is not good enough anymore, despite the talent they have there to mitigate problems on both sides of the ball and the special teams. You see Denver there at 28. Miami awful right now. I could have moved them even lower. The 49ers were on a bye. Giants got to win a knuckleball of a game. Cleveland continues to lose. Arizona lost again. The Jets were off. And, of course, Houston got to win. Now, how about the Ravens? They're making a playoff push. They've got an easy schedule going forward. And as long as their defense plays like it did at Lambeau, they're going to be competitive. This game reminded me a lot of their Week 1 performance against the Bengals, where the offense really didn't have to do very much. You can blame Brett Hundley for that if you want, but either way, Ravens looked impressive. They're 17. Hundley's Packers are at 24. The Colts were off. You see the Bengals there. They're still in it. The Raiders were not competitive against the Patriots. Big fumble by Seth Roberts in that game. Bills, weird decision there against the Chargers at quarterback. Bears, narrow loss in the Bucks. 2 wins in a row. How about that? Okay, the Chiefs, they're not on a winning streak. They've lost 4 out of 5. Alex Smith has not performed well in cold weather games or windy games. He did have a gritty performance. He lunged for some first downs, but right now the Chiefs just aren't playing solid football. They're at 12. A team that beat them a couple weeks ago, the Cowboys, are at 16 because they just got blown out in the second half against the Eagles. Redskins that kept the same. A lot of injuries, were competitive in New Orleans. Chargers are ascending. Titans descending. Seahawks look shaky on defense. Lions, a close win. The Falcons, talk about streaking. They're doing a great job right now. Adrian Claiborne. The Vikings are also getting stellar play from their defense. They were able to win a game against the Rams this week, which was a lot closer than the score showed you. Cooper Kupp's fumble inside the 5-yard line was a huge difference maker in this game, but the Vikings did what they needed to do. They seized their opportunities, and they're still winning with Case Keenum at quarterback. Boy, Adam Thielen looks good. So the Vikings are in the cleanup spot at 4. You see them there. The Rams, who they just beat, are at 6. Carolina moved up on a bye. The Jags have kept the same in a close win against the Browns. Saints have moved back. Injuries in the secondary. Maybe should have lost that game against the Redskins. Steelers move up to number 3 after an impressive TNF performance. New England blew out the Raiders, and the Eagles, still the best team in pro football.